What's up, slackers? You want to waste some time with me? Psh, let's do it. What's going on, slackers? Welcome back to Comment Patrol Sunday edition. Yeah, that's right, we're recording on a Sunday. I'm a fat guy wearing a fedora, and this hat is way too small for my body. But without further ado, check out today's video. Bam! Now, a lot of people are saying that this video is fake. I don't really know, to be perfectly honest, but if it is real, like Israel the country, that doesn't make any sense. But anyway, if it is real, then this is pretty messed up. But this ain't no review show. Let's talk about some of the comments that people left on that video. You know the deal? Maybe if this douchebag's front door wasn't so fucking far from the street, this poor lady wouldn't have had to do that in the first place. Props to the mail lady for her wittiness. Alright, people, you know what? Let's stop, encouraging the fatness of America. Stop encouraging people like me. I gotta get thin. I gotta get hot and fast. Like this lady. I think she is hot. I'd do her. Oh, we got a chubby chaser. A chubby chaser. Doesn't that sound like an 80s song? Why isn't she wearing her uniform? I call shenanigans on this video. Well, supposedly, when you actually first start off as being a mail carrier, for the first 3 months or so, you're on a trial period where they don't give you a uniform. This is what I looked up. So I'm not really sure. But you know what? I call shenanigans on you, buddy. Dang, she driving like if she were playing GTA. Ho-ho! Yeah, that's right. From Dick Fart Ass Goblin, who the fuck cares? Well, to be perfectly honest, would you really appreciate the mailman driving over your front lawn? I mean, it's bad enough that they walk across the lawn as it is, but you know what? You gotta give them some credit. These people have been on their feet all day, but this lady's driving a freaking mail truck. Screw her. The post office works their people very long hours. This was not as bad as I thought. I thought she would not get out the car at all. Thought she wouldn't get out the car at all. Well, she did. Because I guess she had some decency. Or something like that. Next! I don't understand. What's the problem? Well, if someone really needs to break it down for you and you haven't looked through the comment section already, then there's probably a reason why you're probably not succeeding too much in life and you're spending too much time on the internet. Go outside. She is a very bad mailman. You called her a man. You're probably like half right. I can't breathe. I think the only thing that wasn't right, she shouldn't have drove on the grass, being too lazy. Wow, we got a freaking Sherlock Holmes detective scientist motherfucker in this bitch. It's a lot of cursing for one day. And finally, fake. Postal workers don't wear pink shirts and sweatpants. Furthermore, have you ever seen an overweight letter carrier? There's a reason why you haven't. Yeah? Move to New York. I've seen plenty of overweight mail carriers. Plus, I've probably seen mail carriers that were bigger than this lady. Yeah, that's the truth. Ruth. What movie was that line from? Let me know in the comments section down below. Now, this video already has over 2.6 million views in the past couple days with over 4,000 likes. It looks like we got a couple of dislikes on there too because people are calling shenanigans on this video, but whatever the case is, it was still worth the watch. So I guess the big question to all you people out there is, was this video real or fake? Let me know in the comments section right down there. And of course, if you don't want to comment that, you always have something to comment. Let me know that you're a proud member of Team Slacker. And of course, if you don't want to comment that, please let me know whatever viewer you were on this video. Man, don't I love that self-promotion bullshit. Anyways, don't forget to subscribe down below. I make videos as often as I possibly can. Don't forget to follow me on Twitter. Add me as a friend on Facebook, because I'm a lonely guy. That was really depressing. This should be my new thing when I go like that. It's like I'm working out. It's like I'm fucking sparring, Like, check that out. I actually like looking at myself. But yeah, that's pretty much all I gotta say. Link to the original videos down there below. If you want to leave a comment on that video saying Team Slacker love or Team Slacker sent me, I'll be looking. I'll be checking it out. But yeah, that's pretty much all I got. I hope I entertained you. Anyway, Slackers, I am out of here. I love you all. Keep on slacking. Looks like I'm getting my workout in for today. Peace the hell out. I'll see you guys soon. Later.